even though permission for the tractor parade has been given for Republic Day, the Delhi police has claimed that there is an imminent security risk. They say that there are Twitter handles that have been created which link back to Pakistan with the sole purpose of disrupting this rally. What does this essentially mean for the farmer agitation? Vikram Singh, the former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, is with us on the broadcast. Mr. Singh, what do you make of these developments? It's quite a big claim that's been made by the Delhi police.
Rishika, good morning. There has seldom been a Republic Day celebration that is so ominous and fraught with hazards. And what the Delhi police has said is just the tip of the iceberg, because no professional intelligence operative will disclose all the cards that he is holding close to his chest. The fact of the matter is that if Pakistan has commissioned 308 Twitter handles and many, many more to come, the plan is obvious. 1, spread hate. 2, spread rumor. Spread panic. Under these circumstances, a small trigger, a small spark can have disastrous consequences, and therefore the Delhi police and the nation have a problem at hand, and it needs to be addressed. 1, and also ensure that all the Twitter accounts that are insidious, mischievous from Pakistan, they need to be placed under suspension, as the Trump's Twitter account was placed under suspension till the time for at least the next 48 hours or 72 hours. This is one thing that India can do, is to approach the Twitter helpline and ensure that these...
Well, I'm going to come back to you in order to get a response on what needs to be done to address this, because what we know so far, of course, is that the Delhi police has flagged this at that press conference yesterday. But Ravinder Singh Cheema is also joining us. He's the Vice President of the Rashtriya Kisan Sangh from Punjab. Thanks so much, Mr. Cheema, for being with us this morning. Your reaction to this claim of a hijack that's being made by the Delhi police. There are Pakistani proxy accounts that have been created in order to disrupt tomorrow's rally.
ऐसा है कि जहां तक ट्विटर अकाउंट का सवाल है, पाकिस्तान से उनको हैंडल किया जा रहा है। इसके बारे में एजेंसियां जो कुछ भी जानती हैं, जो कुछ भी उनको मालूम है, उसके बारे में हमें कोई जानकारी नहीं। लेकिन हम ये जरूर बताना चाहते हैं कि दुनिया भर में जितना भी किसान का बेटा फॉरेन में किसी भी कंट्री में गया हुआ है, उसकी भावनाएं इस मूवमेंट से जुड़ी हुई हैं। वो अपने तौर पे, चाहे वो यूएसए में है, बेशक वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है, बेशक वो कनाडा में है, यूके में है, यूरोपियन किसी कंट्री में है, हम पाकिस्तान की बात नहीं कर रहे। तो वहां से जितने भी बच्चे हैं, ये ट्विटर अकाउंट पे भी चलाते हैं, फेसबुक भी चलाते हैं, तो उनकी भावनाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं। उनका परिवार यहाँ है तो उनकी भावनाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं जी। तो इसके इसका दिल्ली पुलिस का जो दावा है, हम उसको ना तो नकारते हैं, ना हम उसको एंडोर्स करते हैं। हम तो ये कहते हैं
नहीं, क्या I understand that you obviously haven't been apprised or informed by the Delhi police of these developments, but the Delhi police has come out and said this publicly at a press conference yesterday. क्या आप मानते हैं चीमा जी कि कुछ थ्रेट है, कि कुछ ऐसे एलिमेंट्स हैं जो कि इस रैली को डिसरप्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, हमें तो ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी तरफ से किसान आज इतनी मुश्किल हालात में है कि कोई दुश्मन भी किसानों के साथ ऐसी हरकत नहीं करनी चाहेगा। दुश्मन भी नहीं चाहेगा कि हम इन किसानों को, जो बेचारे ठंड में इधर अपना प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, अपनी मांगों के लिए कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ कोई ऐसी बात होगी। फिर भी हम कहते हैं कि सरकार के पास इतनी एजेंसियां हैं जी, हमने इतने आदमी पकड़े हैं जो हमारी इन रैलियों को एक्सप्लॉइट करना चाहते थे, हमें ब्लेम करना चाहते थे, तो सरकार की एजेंसियां कहां हैं? वो पकड़े ना उन लोगों को जो इस रैलियों को।
That's an important question. नहीं, आप एक बहुत जरूरी सवाल उठा रहे हैं। हम विक्रम सिंह जी से वही पूछेंगे। Vikram Singh, this is the question that I was going to come to. That the fact that the Delhi police has made this announcement at a press conference yesterday, what are we to A, make of the fact that a public announcement to this effect has been made, and B, what's the kind of action that's being taken?
Obviously, Rishika, it is just to educate the public and also our farmer brethren that there is a danger lurking in the horizon, and our neighboring nations are also not favorably inclined. They would obviously like to create a disturbance and thereafter fish in troubled waters.
Right.
Therefore, the insidious game that the neighbors are planning, we must not be victims to their game plan, and see to it that this rally, which has been permitted by mutual cooperation and understanding, must be peaceful, must be grand, and at no point of time should there be a confrontation, or heavens forbid there should be any occasion for the police to use force, whatever be the magnitude. But the police have their hands full, and if there's a time, I would explain what they need to do now.
Right. But what do you make of the fact that this has been publicly disclosed? And, you have the Vice President of the Rashtriya Kisan Sangh on the broadcast saying that the police hasn't reached out to the farmer unions or the farmer organizations and had a conversation with them about it, instead disclosed it publicly at a press conference.
Perhaps that would not have been possible, in the sense that the farmers union, the farmer brethren are intelligent people. They listen to the television, they watch TV shows.
So
and
you're saying this was in a
bid
bid to generate awareness?
To generate awareness and indeed to educate the people and the farmers.
I'll give Ravinder Singh Cheema the last word. Cheema ji, क्या आप चिंतित हैं ये न्यूज़ सुन के कि कुछ एलिमेंट्स हैं जो कि डिस्टर्ब करना चाह रहे हैं कल की रैली?
देखो, बिल्कुल हम भी इससे चिंतित हैं कि हमारी ये जो पीसफुल रैली है, ये पीसफुल परेड है, हम अपने गणतंत्र दिवस पे अपने देशवासियों को, अपनी सरकार को अपनी सॉलिडेरिटी शो करना चाहते हैं कि हम ना खालिस्तानी हैं, ना हम टुकड़े टुकड़े हैं, ना हम कोई देश के खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं। हम तो अपनी शांतिपूर्वक मांगे लेकर आए हैं, जो अधिकार हमें संविधान ने दिया है। अगर इसमें कोई भी एजेंसियां कोई कार्रवाई करेगी तो उसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी जो है वो सरकार की होगी।
All right, Ravinder Singh Cheema and Vikram Singh, appreciate you both for joining us. So this, of course, is the big development that we will continue to track. It's a big claim that's been made by the Delhi police of Twitter handles that trace back to Pakistan that are trying to disrupt tomorrow's rally. We'll keep a close watch on those developments.